What's something people don't know about the Amazon? It holds secrets beyond your wildest dreams. Imagine a world where trees touch the sky and every leaf hides a story. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 400 billion trees and countless species. From the vibrant poison dart frog to the elusive jaguar, life here is a colorful dance of survival. And it's not just animals. The Amazon boasts 80,000 plant species, many with medicinal properties. Ever heard of the Victoria Amazonica? It's a giant water lily with leaves that can hold a small child. So next time you think of the Amazon, remember it's more than just a forest. It's a treasure trove of life waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, nature lovers.